Hello, this is Andrew German Boy here with wonderful candidate Goodrich to be governor to be. Anyway, and also here's Aaron Fossen. Okay, so he is going to drink this. What is it?
Organic straight lime juice.
Organic straight. It's not. It's straight.
Yeah, it's just straight.
Okay, it's straight lime juice.
I don't know why.
He's gonna drink the rest of it because of what we're gonna do with the bottle.
I'm gonna use the bottle for explosive reasons. So rather than just pouring this away, we'll drink it.
Okay, the camera's got like 5 minutes left, so you gotta hurry up. Drink it, drink it, drink it, drink it, drink it, drink it. Not bad at all, right? I'm glad. Okay, so we have now essentially emptied the bottle of lime juice, and now organic lime juice.
Do you have time for a metaphor? A quick metaphor?
Yes, we do.
I'm Barack Obama. This is the economy. This bottle. This is government regulation. Witness Obamanomics.
Wait, what's this? Ambition?
Lenders.
Lenders. This is lenders.
Get all of it. That was kind of depressing, actually.